So one thing that we have to be aware of when we're building houses these days is energy efficiency. This is a large home.
Yeah.
You've got a lot of windows happening, the large pool, a jacuzzi, lights. Was that a huge thing in the design process to consider?
Yeah, absolutely. So we wanted to keep it as energy efficient as possible. And one of the things we did was put a huge solar array on the roof and a battery. And we really changed how we use our electricity. So we make sure that we do use the washing machine, the dishwasher, etc., during the day when we've got solar coming in. And my husband loves it. He's on the app checking how many kilowatts we've got, how much is going to the battery, where we're at. So it's great because we feel like we're as self-sustainable as possible.
I mean, having met the homeowners, they're awesome. They're like us, they're absolute kids, they love the technology, and they've got 3 kids, so it's a big family. It's a young family as well, so you can absolutely see that over time, their electricity demands are just going to increase. So really for them, solar power was an absolute necessity. And not just having solar power, but what else can we add to this? We've got energy efficiency, we've taken advantage of our environment with the double glazing and with the LED lighting, but what else can we add? What I love about these guys is they've got a whopping solar power system on the roof and they've gone for battery storage. And I know just around the corner, it's an electric vehicle. If you're looking for your future home, certainly come to our website. We are a one-stop shop. We literally will tick every box in terms of introducing the latest technology, and especially with the advances in technology, we'll be introducing new concepts, new ideas. I believe in a zero carbon future. I would love to see us using nothing but renewable energy for absolutely everything. So that means pulling no more resources from the planet, just using what's available to us in terms of solar, in terms of wind and hydro. That's what our legacy is at Energy Matters. That's what my legacy is. If we can leave the planet in a better place than we found it, we've done our job.